Hey guys, today I wanted to make a video on horse colors. I found a lot of people don't actually understand horse colors that well, so I wanted to go ahead and make a slideshow on it for you. So let's go ahead and get started. So to start off with, we have three base colors. Every horse that you'll ever see is going to be one of these three base colors. You have chestnut, which is a brown color. The body coat is the same color as the mane, tail, and legs. Black, all body parts are black. And a bay is actually a black horse with an agouti gene. It leaves the legs, mane, and tail black, but it changes the coat color to brown. So technically only chestnut and black are your base colors, but for the purpose of this video we'll say bay is as well. So chestnut, black, and bay. Those are three base colors of all horses. There are many shades of each of these base colors. So in the chestnut, you can have light chestnuts, orange and red chestnuts, and dark chestnuts. I just wanted to pick out, on the right side here, we have your dark liver chestnuts. That's its own gene, and so is the flaxen chestnut, which is often confused with the palomino. They have a lighter mane and tail than the body. They are not a palomino because they don't have the cream gene, but it's called the flaxen chestnut gene. So those are the different shades of chestnut. Same with bays. You can have a lot of different shades of bay, orange, red, dark bays, things like that. And black horses pretty much stay the same, but you do have a couple variations. There are those black horses that stay just pitch black all year round, and then there's the ones that kind of fade in the summer with the sun, but other than that, blacks kind of stay the same. So today I'm going to talk in this video about the cream gene and the dun gene and what happens when you add those to the base coats. The cream gene is a dilution gene that will change the base coat color and make it appear more creamy. A dun gene is also a dilution gene that will change the base coat color. It's not as creamy and rich as the cream gene, but it's more of a flat color. It also has the stripes. It's got the dorsal stripes, ear and face markings, shoulder, and leg stripes. So we're going to start off here with the cream gene. So let's take our chestnut horse and you add one cream gene. It equals a palomino. Keep in mind these are not breeds of horses. These are just genes that change colors. So palominos and buckskins, they are not breeds. These are colors. So palomino, chestnut with one cream gene, it changes the mane and tail to a white color and changes it lighter than the body. And you can see that body color is a nice, rich, creamy color. That's what the cream gene does. A bay with one cream gene is called a buckskin. Also, again, changes that body coat to a really pretty, rich, creamy color, but it keeps the mane, tail, and legs black, like a bay. A black horse with a cream gene is called a smoky black. The cream gene doesn't affect black very much. It kind of just looks black still. However, a lot of smoky blacks tend to fade really easily in the sun. Also, their eyes are usually gray. So that's kind of one way to tell, but other than that, they just look black. But they do have that cream gene, so they can produce palominos and buckskins, and most likely just more smoky blacks, since black is very dominant. With the cream gene, unlike other genes, you can add more to them and it will continue to change the color. So if you have two cream genes, one from each parent, to a chestnut, it equals a cremello. Because it got 50% cream from one parent and 50% cream from another, it is now a homozygous cream gene horse. So all these horses are homozygous for the cream gene, so you're guaranteed to get buckskins, palominos, smoky blacks, or if they're bred to another one of those, you can get these homozygous horses. So cremello is a chestnut with two cream genes. A purlino is a bay with two cream genes. Since it's a bay, often the mane and tail are going to be a little darker, often a cinnamon color. A black with two cream genes is a smoky cream. So those are our homozygous cream horses, very popular for breeding. Now, going on to the dun gene, another very common gene you'll see around. A chestnut with the dun gene is called a red dun. They often just appear to look like a chestnut, but they have the stripes. They have the dorsal stripe, the leg bars. Over here on the right side of the screen, I have highlights of the different markings that you'll see. Some duns don't show certain markings very clearly. Others show them very clearly. So the chestnut just kind of stays chestnut colored depending on what the base coat is, and we'll have those stripes. A bay and a dungeen is just a bay dun, and a black plus a dungeen is a grulo or a grula. It is a Spanish term, so supposedly grulo is boy and grula is girl, but they're kind of used, both of them, equally all the time. They mean the same thing. So the cream and the dun gene. Horses can get multiple genes depending on their parents. So if you have one buckskin bred to a dun horse, it can get both of those genes. So a chestnut with a cream gene and a dun gene would make it a Dunalino. It's a dun with a Palomino gene, so it's a Dunalino. A bay with a cream gene and a dun gene is called a Dunskin. And a black with a cream and dun gene would just be a smoky black dun. So obviously those ones are nice because they can reproduce babies that have both the dun and the cream gene. So with the different shades of those base coats that we went over earlier, you can get different shades of your Palominos and your buckskins and all your duns. So this is where it gets really interesting. You can have Palominos that are really dark because their base coat was a really dark chestnut. Same with red duns. Same with your bays. Your lighter bays that have the cream gene are your buttermilk buckskins, and your really dark bays are called a sooty buckskin with the cream gene. And then blacks, though they don't seem to change very much, they definitely change with the dun gene. There's a lot of different variations of grulas, from blue to silver to brown, and those are all based off what their actual base coat of black is. So that's everything for this video. Thanks for watching. Check out our Horse Colors Volume 2 to learn more about other genes.